First and mathematics that exercise 6.3. If we see the next one, ninth question. You see the question in your textbook, you try to understand the question first, then only you understand the solution or proof. The ninth question, if you see in the following figure, figure is given in textbook itself. ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M. ABC and AMP are right triangles. That means one of the angle of these two triangles is right angle, 90 degrees. Right angle at B and M. So in ABC triangle, angle B is right angle, angle M is right angle in angle A, triangle AMP. We need to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP, whereas the second part of that we need to prove that CA by PA equals to BC by MP. To see the question clearly, triangle ABC and triangle AMP are the right triangles in which angle B and right angle at B and M. So at B it is 90 degrees, at M also it is 90 degrees. It is given itself in the question. They are asking us to prove that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP as a part 1. The second part of the solution is asking CA by PA equals to BC by MP. We have to prove that first. If we take the first part in proof, triangle ABC and triangle AMP. So we have this figure here, but we need to focus only on two triangles which we need to prove as similar. That is triangle ABC and the other one is triangle AMP. So roughly if I take that, we can do it in a different way. We'll highlight it or take it separately and try to observe. Triangle ABC, ABC, if I take here, right angle at B, this point is C, so that it will become AC. Other triangle is AMP. A, M. If I take in this way, this will become A. Take this as M, this as P. If I take, then maybe angle of the triangle I am rotating it and writing in a different way in my convenience. You need try to understand that triangle ABC and triangle AMP. In which triangle ABC 90 degrees, here we have at M. In this triangle AMP also one of the angle is 90. When you observe these two triangles, so what, in order to apply this similarity rule, angle are side angle side. Here we have one angle equal. The ratio of the sides nothing is given. Instead of that, the ratio of the sides is given. See these two. In a single question they gave two bits. First bit is this one, second one is this. So they are interlinked actually. If we prove that these two triangles are similar, automatically the corresponding sides of similar triangles will be in the same ratio. So that this will come obviously that as CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So here I can see that one angle 90, other angle 90, and this angle A is present in triangle ABC and A is also present in triangle AMP. By seeing this itself, you can see that which is the common angle in between these two triangles ABC, AMP. So A is present in both the triangles. Angle A will become common angle in these two triangles. So by we can apply here angle similarity rule, and we can see that two triangles are similar. For that, if I write in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, and triangle ABC, angle B is 90. You can write it as angle B or angle ABC or CBA, for all will come 90. For our convenience, I am writing it as angle B. You can write it as angle ABC or angle CBA, no problem, whatever the way you write. Here you write here angle A, angle M, is that also? Each 90 degrees, this is given itself in the question. And angle A equals to angle A, that is the common angle. So two angles of this triangle are equal to two angles of this triangle. So I can apply angle similarity rule, and I can see that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by angle similarity rule. That is the first part gets over with that. Second part I can write here that as directly, because these will be the parts of this triangles ABC, BC, AC, you'll be getting in this triangle AMP means you'll get MP and PA in this AMP triangle. Since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. Therefore, I'm writing it directly. Actually, whatever the question you're getting, they are interlinked with each other. If these triangles are similar, this part will come by CPST. In 9th class, you did like that. CPCT. You prove that the two triangles are congruent. After that, you write by CPCT this angle equal to this angle. This side equals to this side. In 9th class. The similar way in the similar triangles also. If you prove that the two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Whereas in congruency, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are also equal. After proving these two, you will find that these sides of this triangle and this triangle will be this. So the sides will be in the same ratio. So I can write directly here CA by PA is equals to BC by MP. This I am writing razor as CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So that will be question number 9. So if you see the continuation, the 10th question, if you read that in your textbook along with me, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF, such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. They are asking to us show that there are 3 bits here. All these 3 also interlinked. We can, if you are proving one, you will get first and last 4th. And if you clearly if you try to understand that, the question states what CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF, such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So the two characters mainly in this are what? Two triangles are there. The last sentence of the question they mentioned triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So for that required that two triangles I am drawing. Based on the two triangles, whatever he gave, based on that we need to label. You should be able to draw a diagram at least. If you draw a diagram in question, you get few marks in some. If you are able to draw the question, if you are able to apply the similarity criteria for that particular figure, then you can solve automatically. Required things or required materials will be given in question itself. Just you need to know how to apply that and where to apply, which one fits where. Then you can write in the given RTP and all won't be a matter. After practice will be, there should be more. Triangle ABC, I am writing it as A, BC here. The other triangle is what? FEG. FEG. They said that CD and GH. So C I wrote here. So I'm writing it as ABC here. I wrote here C so that I can draw bisector. CD. So D I will take here CD. And this triangle ABC and GH. From this triangle, from this G, if I draw this will become GH. Bisectors of angle ACB. This is angle ACB is this one. This full one is the angle ACB. And the other one is angle EGF. EG. EGF is that one. And if I write our RTP here, the first one is asking us to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. I'll drop this first part. When it is done, then we'll go for the remaining parts. The first one, if I am saying here, if I write all this, it will come here till. So I'm writing the first one, which I will prove. Then I'll write the second one, I'll prove. In that proof, this CD is the bisector of angle ACB. That means it is dividing. This CD is dividing this full angle into two equal parts. So I will take this as angle 1 and this I will take it as angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. How? That is because this CD will bisect the angle ACB. Similarly, in this triangle EFG also same. This GH is a bisector of this angle EGF or EFG. Here also I will make the numbers as this I will take as angle 3. and this as angle 4.